Hello everyone. This series is about creating editor utility widgets using the blueprints and Python in Unreal Engine 5. And first we're going to start by setting up Visual Studio Code with Unreal Engine for Python editing. So first and foremost we have to have two plugins which are scripting. So editor scripting utilities, this one is already enabled, and Python scripting. So Python scripting, Python editor script plugin. There are some other ones that needs to be updated. And next, so I think that's it. Oh yes, we have to have from project settings, remote execution enabled. So remote execution. And then usually this port is not available, it's gonna create errors, so it's better to change it to 6768. And then we hop up to our VScode, and you can see here we already have the settings. So we come here, Unreal Engine Python extension, and then go to settings. We already have this here. And then what we can do is just go to 6768, change this one, and the multicast bind address, so should be the same. And then I think that's it. So now if I go Control Shift P and Unreal Python setup code completion, now it gives us a log here, so we are connected. We can try to test it by importing Unreal. So import Unreal, and now it's reading it. So if I go to unreal.log, then we are connected. Control Enter, and we have our output here. So this is the first video in the series. We're gonna see next how we can set up some basic functionalities like reading assets and viewing what's happening inside of Unreal. We can see selected assets and so on and so forth.